Hi everyone, Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and I have some news for you. I can't believe it! The 12 Cards of Christmas series is celebrating its 10th anniversary, and we're celebrating together with you with a never seen before amazing giveaway. This ultimate giveaway will have 12 different winners. Each of them will choose their own prize. Yes, you heard me. So check out all the details how to join below. Wow, what an amazing giveaway. Learn how to increase your chances of winning this amazing giveaway in the description under the video. Also, you have a link to the measurements in the description under the video. You can go ahead and check that. So in today 12 Cards of Christmas series, we are making a triple Z card. This is our 11th card. So we're going to take our larger piece and score it at 3 and 6. And basically we're going to score all our pieces at 3 and 6 on the long side. So we have 3 pieces all scored at 3 and at 6. Pretty easy. This is a really fast and easy card to make. You can play with the patterns and the colors any way that you want. So once you have all the pieces scored, you can go ahead and fold them in a Z shape. So that means that you fold the center in a valley fold and the left score line in a mountain fold. So you get sort of a Z or an accordion folded piece, and you're going to repeat that on the other 2 pieces as well to get 3 sizes of Z's. And then we're going to attach them together, and it's going to look really pretty. And it's also pretty easy. Okay. So now we have our 3 pieces ready. We can go ahead and bring our cover papers and add them to our pieces. You need to first cover each of the Z's with the cover paper or the cover papers, and then attach them together, because after you attach, you can't add the cover papers. It's going to be too complicated. If you're using pattern papers without a base, then of course once you have folded the Z's, you can go ahead and attach them. But since I have both base and cover papers, then I need to put the cover papers first. So I'm going to cover all the Z's. Again, you can play with the patterns and the colors any way that you want. Making sure all the cover papers are aligned. And then I'm going to finish covering the Z's. The last part that I'm adding is slightly bigger, but that's up to you how you want to make your cover papers. Now we're going to apply glue to the middle Z, the back side of the square part, which is the right side, and we're going to attach it to the large Z by aligning both fold lines like this, folding it and aligning it in the center of the square of the larger Z. You can eyeball it, or you can measure any way that you want. Just gonna eyeball it. And then fold the bigger Z, apply glue to the bottom of the left part this time, and attach it by folding it like this. So I shouldn't have put glue all the way, because now excuse me, it can be attached. You just need to apply glue to the left part. So let's attach the smaller Z. Again, apply glue to the bottom of the square on the right side, aligning it in the center of the middle Z. And then this time I won't be confused. I'm just going to apply glue to the left part and then closing it like this while it is folded. Make sure it is straight. And then basically the card is ready. Isn't that cool? Just a few folds and you really have an amazing card. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload all the videos. And don't forget to join our giveaway and learn how to increase your chances of winning in the description below. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.